Hi friends, good evening. Today it is Valentine's Day, and fortunately, market started loving the bulls. Normally, on the Valentine's Day, if you go and do the back testing, most of the time market was down only. But again, today market opened down only. But what a phenomenal recovery, and the calls went up by roughly around 600 times, 700 times, and Nifty call went up by 300, 400 times. But ultimately, the rocker was SBI. So again, above 729. My first target was 754, and I have already given target till up to 841, 841, and today the number, which was I think 45,417 in Bank Nifty future, was the must hold number for this day today, and exactly that was the low. And from there, what a phenomenal recovery. And obviously the timing candle was the real rocker. Let's go and see all that. So this is our number today, and Fin Nifty held this number, and once it crossed above this number, all the targets done, and it went like mad. Again, morning it closed below this number, we went short, stop loss triggered here. Again we went long, and all the targets achieved, but we entered Nifty little late, but Bank Nifty we entered exactly at the timing candle at 11:57, and from there it was a miracle move. So now, and we clearly said, since there is no combo timing today, you need to use the PPT timing. You need to use the PPT timing. So now let's go to the PPT. Let's go to the PPT. The PPT timing was yesterday was not this one. The PPT timing of yesterday is this. So Nifty only two timings: 10:45 to 10:50, 12:25 to 12:30. And Bank Nifty 9:45 to 9:50, 11 to 11:05, 11:40 to 11:45, and 1:35 to 1:40. So now let's go to the chart. I have already marked all these timing candle, and this was our 907 number. Today morning it closed below. We went short here, but the stop loss got triggered, and again the entry came at the timing candle. So simply, how to trade this? Simply mark the timing candle high and low. And once it crossed above, once it closed above, wait for the retracement, take the entry, the stop loss is recent low. And again the next timing candle, today there was only two timing candle in Nifty. Again the next timing candle came here, and again mark the high, mark the low, a candle closed below, take the entry here. You can keep the recent low as a stop loss, but after that it does not touch the stop loss at all, and from there it gave a phenomenal move. And when it comes to Bank Nifty, again the first 9:45 to 9:50 was the candle. So what you need to do, you need to enter here, and one candle closed below. If you are following only timing, you need to exit here. You can go short here, but again the next timing candle immediately it came. So now you need to close your position, and you need to go long in Bank Nifty. Very small stop loss. Again this was a very small stop loss. Hardly if you take the total width of this candle, it's roughly around 100 rupees. For 100 rupees it has given roughly around phenomenal move of roughly around 700 points. But if you go to the number is 45,157. Where is that? 117. No. Yeah, this is the number. I said go short below 45,411. Important support must to hold. But it is in Bank Nifty future. BNF means Bank Nifty future, not spot. So BNF means Bank Nifty future 45,411. So now if you go to Bank Nifty future, and if you mark that number 45,417. So this was the exact low. It closed above it, and none of the candle is able to close below that candle low. And this was the clear touch where we took the entry based on the timing, based on Ichimoku, and after that it was a real rocker. And when it comes to Fin Nifty, it has not. This is our buy and sell number for today, 19,978. And sell below 19,948. None of the 1 minute candle closed below that line, and after that it has given all the targets. Then it achieved everything on the top. So now if you go to fortune signals, so it gave a buy here. After that it came and touched the blue. You need to enter here 21,100, and after that there is no sell till the end in 1 minute time frame. But apart from that, the topmost was our SBI. So if you go to 15 minutes time frame, it gave a buy. It gave a genuine buy at 627. A candle closed above. It came and touched the blue at 624. Till now there is no sell even in 15 minutes time frame, and all the candles are green. Even you got a sell here, but none of the candle closed below. And when it comes to 1 minute, it was a real rocker. We took the second entry at today morning it gave a sell. But none of the candle closed below. So it is still in buy only in 1 minute from yesterday itself. And we entered here again. Yesterday we took some position. Again today we entered here. But this was the phenomenal move it gave us. Roughly around 12 rupees in a matter of 15 minutes. After this 729, which is that number, after 729, straight it went to 748. But our target is 754. Until now it is in fake G cell only, even in 1 minute time frame. Okay. And today many stocks had a very important date, all the major stocks. So I would like to share that with you. Okay, so now these stocks are today's trend change date, major stocks. So Adani, all these mark the high and low, take the trade of these stocks. And SBI is a real rocker today. So you can mark this date high and low is valid for the entire 1 year. And tomorrow Bharati, and on 17th Ashok Leyland, Conquer, iBull and JK Sivat. But in this I want to talk about this guy. Rest everything was doing extremely well. So mark the high and low, and tomorrow Adani is having a major combination. Today it had a yearly date. Tomorrow around 6 combination in Adani Enterprises. So kindly watch Adani Enterprises. Ambuja is doing well. Axis Bank took exactly support at the daily. So all are doing well, and BHL was the real rocker today. Real rocker today was BHL. So kindly watch it. But now I want to talk about Kotak Bank. Let's go and talk about Kotak Bank. So now when it comes to private bank, it has clearly took the support at the cloud in weekly. Okay, so till it holds the cloud, nothing to worry about it. Max downside, maybe we can expect somewhere here. But as of now, you know what is the candle pattern and all. I don't want to talk about all those patterns. But exactly it took the support at the cloud. Based on weekly. And coming to Kotak Bank, last 3 times, it took the exact support from the pink line here, and now pink line here. So, and today it had a trend change date, yearly trend change date. So simply mark the high and the low. Once it closes above this candle high, wait for the retracement and take the trade. But if you ask me, the acceleration in case whether it is going to go up or go down, the acceleration will happen on 19th of February. 19th of February. So kindly watch it, and today's high and low is very, very crucial for Kotak Bank. Okay, right. So now let's go to the PPT. So now all the numbers are bullish today, so nothing to worry about it. Now this again convergence, but the stock is closed very the future closed very much above that. So this is again a convergence, but I will not call this as a convergence. But if you come to Nifty, it is a clear convergence. So when three numbers are within 33 points, it means it is going to do something big time on the upside or on the downside. Most probably 300 points will be done on the same day. It may happen tomorrow because of the expiry day, or it may happen on Friday. Last time the convergence happened, it gave a 300 points run on the next day itself. So normally you will get maybe twice the convergence number, or once in a month. And this time, since the expiry is longer, you are getting the second convergence date. So now when it comes to Nifty, the difference between these three numbers should be within 33 points. And if you see here, it is not even 8 points. And this number held. Today also this number held. Yesterday the exact low was 21,632. And any close below this number on a daily closing basis, I've clearly mentioned here, on a daily closing basis. Okay, so now it closed above this, and above this. So tomorrow all these numbers will act as a support level, but the major support is here. This is called convergence. If the market comes down and touch this number, and if it started bouncing, believe me, the move will be more than 300-400 points on a single day itself. Okay, but anyway, market closed a little above this. Let's see how the market is going to go, but the convergence is happened. When it comes to Bank Nifty, so if you take this number, the total these three numbers should be within 144 points. So more or less this is also convergence, because it is less than 144 points. So if you take the difference between from 45,506 to 45,620, it is roughly around 120 points or 114 points, whatever it is. So it is below the 144. So now this is also convergence. But the future closed roughly around here. So you need another 500 points, and from there the bounce. But here when it comes to Nifty future, more or less 40-50 points. Okay, so let's see. Convergence has happened, and possibility of roughly around big move will be happening in the coming 2 days time. So coming to timing tomorrow, and this is the timing for tomorrow. And on 15th February, 1 hour magical candle is 215 to 315 in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. So mark that 1 hour candle high and low. It knows everything till the next 1 hour magical candle is going to happen. And if you see here, normally this timing only from a member, but still I want to show this here. Why? Because see here, 2:15 to 3:15 is the magical 1 hour candle. In that 2:15 to 3:15, this 15 minutes candle and this 5 minutes candle will do the show. Sorry, this 5 minutes candle. See how it is getting interlinked with the bigger time frame, the 5 minutes time frame. See how it is getting interlinked with the bigger time frame. When it comes to Nifty, it is 15 minutes. When it comes to Bank Nifty, you can take this is also, maybe it is 25 minutes. I will not go with 25 minutes and all. So for me, this is enough. Okay, this timing is enough. So more or less it is matching, and 1 hour candle also, the timing candle also is matching. So watch it. And today the metal was the rocker. We clearly said 13th is the astro date for metals and D day for metals. And it is holding 15th February low, sorry, 13th February low. So mark the high and low of that metal counter or metal stocks. And today most of the metal stocks, especially Nalco, has given a phenomenal result and just went up by roughly around 10%. So now mark the high and low and take the trade. Now if you go to metal sector, if you go to metals in daily, exactly it took the support yesterday. Exactly it took the support yesterday. This is on daily. This is on daily. So it closed above here. So now tomorrow, in case if it comes here, take your favorite metal counters and you can run the show. So for example, if you go to metal stocks, most of the stocks are took the support at the exact daily. So for example, if you go to Tata Steel, much further, Hindalco was literally gone for a toss as of now. And coming to in copper, so this is the magical candle, and VEDL very far from the blue and red, and Jindal Steel very far, Nalco exactly very clear, very near to that blue number, and then today it busted. And JSW Steel till it holds this candle low 788.60, because this is a magical candle. 788.60, because today it had a trend change date. Today it had a trend change date. So kindly, I think JSW Steel, yeah. So today it had a trend change date. So kindly mark the high, kindly mark the low, and take the trade in JSW Steel, which is a yearly date. And NMDC, nothing to worry about it. Sale. So now this is the magical candle. It closed above it. So till it doesn't close below this candle low, possible target is this, which is 145. 145. So then when it comes to small cap and small cap, just a minute. So yesterday it took the support exactly at the blue, and today most of the stocks was doing well actually. All the small caps index as well as the mid cap, it came very near, but it does not touch the blue. But small cap has took the support exactly at the blue and red. Last time also it took the support here, mid cap, and then it flared up. And small cap also, if you see last time it took the support exactly here and it flared up. Okay. So I think that's all, nothing more to add in this video. So now what else? Okay, that's all. So 15th is the astro effect. Mark the high and low for index, as well as the major one is metal sector. Major one is metal sector. Okay, but when it comes to mid cap, this week is very crucial week, and the last week high and low is very crucial. It should not close below. It should not close below the last week low. The last week low. And coming to SBI, this is what we are talking about. SBI 929 achieved, above 729 achieved, above 729. Next targets are 754, 784, 841 and 898. 898. Okay, this is a cycle. This is a cycle. So you need to use this cycle, and let's see, it went to 749 today. Let's see whether it is going to touch 754 tomorrow. Okay, That's all. Nothing more to add in this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor. So kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. And again, 16th is a very, very crucial day. The 16th high and low will decide the remaining days of February. Below the 16th candle low, you need to be very cautious in the market from 16th to 29th of February. In case if it holds 16th high, there is no problem. So 16th is a very, very crucial day for the market for the remaining days in February. Okay, that's all. See you soon. In case if I get any magical candle tomorrow, and if any magical numbers like 40, 45, 417, which I gave today. Okay, till the time, goodbye.